Hello students, today we'll begin with Maths 1, lesson number 2, quadratic equation. So all be ready with your textbook. For quadratic equation, we have studied last year polynomials. So you must remember that polynomials we have studied in that monomial, binomial, trinomial and the polynomial. And also we have studied the degree of the polynomials. If the degree is 1, degree is 2, degree is 3. So like that way we have last year we have seen the polynomials. Now continuing to this polynomial, we will study about the quadratic equation. Now, if the degree is 1, if the degree of the polynomial is 1, then that polynomial is called as a linear polynomials. And if the degree is 2, then that polynomial is called as the quadratic polynomial. But here in this year we have studied quadratic equation. Now, just pay attention what is meant by quadratic polynomials and quadratic equation. Activity given in the textbook, so that activity will do first. They have given the some polynomials in the textbook and we have to do the classification of that. So here first is given 5x plus 9. Now students, if you observe, the degree of this polynomial is 1. X does not have any degree or any index, that means it has 1. So the highest index is 1, that means this is called a linear polynomial. This is called a linear polynomial. Second is given x square plus 3x minus 5. Now, if you observe this, the highest index is 2. Here the index is 1. Here the index is 0. So the highest index is 2. So if the highest index is 2, then that polynomial is called as the quadratic polynomial. Next is given 3x minus 7. So observe the degree. Degree is 1. Highest degree is 1. So this is what? A linear polynomial. Next is given 3x square minus 5x. So if you observe this, highest degree is 2. Here the index is 1, index is 2. That means the degree of this polynomial is 2. So it is called quadratic polynomial. Next is given 5x square. Now what is the degree of this? Raised to 2 given. That means it is a quadratic polynomial. So clear the concept? So study about the linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Now further, if I write this quadratic polynomial, see, x square plus 3x minus 5. If I write equal sign and if I give 0 in front of this, or if I equate this quadratic polynomial to 0, that polynomial, now we will call it as quadratic equation. So remember the difference. This is called quadratic polynomial. If we equate with the 0, quadratic polynomial equate with the 0, then this polynomial will be called as quadratic equations. So here one more activity is given on page number 31. So now we'll do the second activity. In the second activity, it is given that 3 polynomials are given and the question is write the polynomials in the index form. This we have to write in the index form. So first we'll write the index form, that see, first one is x square plus 3x minus 5. This one is 3x square minus 5x, that is x square raised to 2 given, x raised to 1 is given, x raised to 0 is not given. So we'll arrange that with the help of 0. So this will be 0, x raised to 0 you can write, or you can write only 0. Next is 5x square raised to 2 term is given, raised to 1 and raised to 0 term is not given. So we'll write it as 0x plus 0. You can write x raised to 0 also. So now this is the index form. Now we'll solve this. They told to write the coefficient of x. Now coefficients of x square. So here the x square is given, x square and x square. So the number along with the x square is called the coefficient, or the number along with the variable is called the coefficient. So here along with this x square, no number is there. That means there are number 1, because 1 multiplied by any number is same number or itself. So here 1 into x square is x square. So the coefficient of this x square will be 1. So here coefficients of x square, first is 1. Second, in the second polynomial, the coefficient is 3. Along with this x square, what is the number? 3. So that will be the coefficient. So here 3. And for next, it is given number along with x square is what? 5. So 5. So coefficient of x square are 1, 3 and 5. Easily can be written. Now here coefficient of x are, now wherever x will observe that. Here the x is. So along with x what is there? 3. So 3 is the coefficient of x. Minus 5x. So along with this x minus 5 given. So minus 5 is a coefficient of x. So here I'll write minus 5. And in the third polynomial 0 x is given. So 0 will be the coefficient of x. So I'll write it here 0. Now next constant terms are. Now constant term is whose value will be remain same every time. It will not be changed. Constant. So here in the first polynomial minus 5 will be a constant term. Here 0 will be a constant term. And in the third expression polynomial 0 is a constant term. So here we'll write first is minus 5. In the second it is 0. And in the third also it is 0. So this is the second activity. Now let's see next. Now let's see the next topic is standard form of quadratic equation. So always we have to write a quadratic equation in the standard form. Standard form means, see, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If we are writing a quadratic equation in this form, then it will be a quadratic, that is standard form of quadratic equation, where this a, b, c are the real numbers. And first term should not be equal to 0. First term, that is this, should not be equal to 0. Why? Because see, if we take a as 0, then this term will be 0. And then what remains? Remains bx plus c. If a equal to 0, then what will happen? We'll get what? Bx plus c equal to 0, which will not be a quadratic equation. Then what it is called? This is called a linear equation, and we are studying about now quadratic equation. So the condition is what? A should not be equal to 0. So now how to define the quadratic equation in standard form? That the equation involving, this is the equation because equal sign and 0 is there. So this is the equation. So in this equation, so the definition, if we want to derive, how the definition will be? The definition will be the equation involving one variable. One variable means what? In this standard form, if you observe, everywhere x is used. I have not written like this. X square, ax square plus by plus c equal to 0. That means two variables. X is one variable and y is one another variable. So, if the equations are like this, then that equations are not the quadratic equation. So, when will be the quadratic equation? The definition tells that the equation involving one variable, that is x, should be throughout. So, equation involving only one variable and this 2 as the maximum index. The equation should be in the maximum index should be 2. So, the equation is having one variable and 2 as the maximum variable, or sorry, 2 as the maximum index. That equation is called as the quadratic equation. Now let's do the next activity. This is also very easy activity. See, just now we have studied about general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This a, b, c are called the coefficients. So here some equations are given, quadratic equations are given. We have to write this all the quadratic equation in the general form. Then we have to find a, b, c, that is we have to find the coefficients of the quadratic equation. Now see first equation, x square minus 4 equal to 0. Now here if you observe, the middle term is not given. So that middle term we have to arrange in the taking 0. So 0x minus 4 equal to 0. Compulsory you have to take x only because the first variable is x, and just now we have studied that the quadratic equation having only one variable. So we have to use same variable. Now here we'll write the coefficient. A means the coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square is 1. No number, that means a number 1. B is 0 and C is minus 4. You can compare these two. A is 1, B is 0, C is minus 4. Now second is given y square equal to 2y minus 7. Now this is not in the standard form. We have to convert first in the standard form. That is we have to write in the general form. That is y square. Now this 2y shifted this side to the LHS. It will be what? Minus 2y. Sign will change. Plus will become minus. This minus, if we shift to the other side, it will be plus. So plus 7 equal to 0. Now tell the coefficients. Coefficients are 1. So 1. Second is minus 2 and third is plus 7. Now move to the third one. X square plus 2x. So two terms are given. Last term is not given. So that will arrange by taking 0. So x square plus 2x plus 0 equal to 0. Now write ABC. What is the coefficient of x square? That is 1. Coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient of c is 0. So this way you all have to complete this all three activities.